KUMALO me Uganda kama kubiri kokotio madir tutwal ilokum CAMCANA ikiet me COYO LUTIC lok enan kitika kok enan kitika kerne kum dul maloyo lok me COYO LUTIC otike video ini kwa wana yankada kwa dugi
bino yunge koko me CAMCANA mapol matika kati ikom dana magimini gitic me COYO dano itic ma igulu district
happen. We have actually recovered money from people you are saying this of service commission who pick money from others. When there is no evidence, but we talk to somebody and say you got 3 million from this person. Is it right or is deceiving? He says I got this money, but it is okay. I'm willing to bring the money. When are you bringing it? Next week I'll bring the money. So many people, she has made so many people pay back such money. No evidence, but because the person has had IGD has entered into it, he brings the money and say I've paid back.
And to tycoon Ujimo, Matila did malolo con queto team me CAMCANA, bot dul me IG, watch it kichok kikatiki report ma megi.
There is that perspective that for us we don't touch people. One day, maybe you enter into our cage, then you feel our heat. People who have entered into our cage, they are feeling it. We are just talking here, why it doesn't do anything. We do many things and we have touched everybody. But because we work according to the law, sometimes people need us to touch the employer. I implore you to interest yourself of what the public talks about you. Otherwise, if there was time, I was going to give you a lot because for me, I've been here.
Kitung Chel, Vivi Ayo Ubol, Matila do at Gamente der Megulu district, Wajini Meno, Koromatika Kati, ikom LUTIC Gamente, Maki COYO me COYO dano itic, Gitika Balo Nying district man.
Common and cutting across in our country. Are we just going to watch and leave people to struggle with it locally like that? Or can we cause maybe policy reform? You say policy issues have to be handled at maybe policy making level. Are we just going to leave our district service commissions to function the way they are? Or there is some change that the IG can cause so that it is just everywhere. It's everywhere.
Ayo, Wajini, Mir Kikati Kichik, Mamako Kum Tic Pajoman.
The bad thing now is when people come in fraudulently and they are employed. A primary school teacher has paid 3 million to be employed. They are not going to sit in class. They will have to subsidize their income by riding a border to recover the bribe that they paid. That is how bad it is recurrent. At the recruitment point, somebody who may be qualified has been denied a job. But also now this person who has come on board, having paid a lot of money, is not going to deliver. So Ugandans continue.
Kitung Chel, Nolin Sungwa, Matilangi Tic, Mekwe to Tim me CAMCANA, Potul me IG, Ofiji me Gulu, Wadukilwak Maguberche can make a choke man, Nigin Gitika Queto, Dun Magichoy dano itic, mapol tutwal.
Many of you know that they are selling jobs, they are scooping money from you, but you don't want to be state witnesses, right? So if we tell these people who want those jobs and the community members, we shall set traps, we shall catch those thieves. The District Service Commission. It is corruption where money is given out between the 2 consenting adults. In the night, in the bush. Can the IGG be everywhere in the bush and in the night?
And kono kokne, luak pegetika repeket game.
District Service Commissions, if they are more of a problem than an advantage, then anybody can recommend whether you need them or not. I hear these days Public Service Commission is better in giving people jobs than District Service Commissions. As long as you reach your level of pass, principal, you will get your level of deputy, you'll get your level of cow without paying money anywhere. And you'll get a job in Public Service Commission. So where is the problem with District Service Commission? Please cooperate with us.
Vicky Atim, Lalopko Wonkom LC5 Meguru District, Wajane Mir Kikati, Work down Magitika Dano Chan, Iching down Mage, Oya Gikinem.
More than 93.1 billion shillings on corruption. They highlighted a number of areas that are prone to corruption, and the key one was the District Service Commission, of which I even requested them, if possible, to put our district in the sample that they were going to review, so that we see our level. We hear a number of issues coming.
Piwanlu TV, Igulu District, and Ismail Jacob Jones.
Avoid Ismail Jacob Jones may yopo report anone. But lok ma CAMCANA dong tiyo ka weng. Even though in this instance ne ngar money ma utiu ma tiki papers ne ma te ma teach anone miro what bore po buno teach anone. Eno ngar money ma miro po dong teach anone ayo buno pengo belok me CAMCANA.
CAMCANA in Uganda, CAMCANA in Loboa is not something new. We cannot talk about integrity because no one cares about it. Why you have a balmeri chawage? Gena tema kumano is just because le mono ma weche kwele chenyu parla kwa any impunity. Acho edo hivi tema kongo ye. And that is how simple the situation is. Appointing authority raja yani ne chalo kimini ki ker madir totwal gitamane de the alpha and omega pa jimi weng piem gena gi choyo gena gi yero gena gi kwanyu nga amiro bien kwe owe bena ki penye ki keni dana magiti telo offices pa Gamente ni dana makeni dana mo kwan mati matike kar touch maromo nyote ni they can defend what they are doing ke dana magutero kar touch terra chigo doni office dongetika teach. These are critical questions. Once warongeni watika meto KOYO LUTIC mabe keta megoro wajo kweni tika balo nying district ni manyote jomi district service commission omiro no KOYO LUTIC mabe chale gologene ka gen go ye gamo chiane CAMCANA kibikelo lo ming ena biro ka teach mano mir ke kel joma no tiki teach ki ker mati. At the end of the day pero par jomo wilo teach pero tie jomo mio teach owewa ka wan po yabo wangwa ka neno nga matika teach kwe tika timo ngo tika kar taj makining pero obobedo tie ema gen marach e Uganda ni ien me lo da ien me tiki ngechi ien me tamane you're able to challenge jomo kanani dana ma knock eno mero munyi loki dana ma knock eno mero bedo chok weri piem gi ngene ke donyo kamoni ibinywano tiangio. And that has been a habit ke de munyi district service commission chalo mi gulu tika time kumaro ngeya ni apoga ti ye chol chwin ti ye moneti ye all these kind of funny things.
Neno lok pa IGG matije metengo
kwedo lokum CAMCANA
policing berete tokum joma gitika tembola kuri bal ena kumere gitika wajne gen pegeron bere ka wang pegeron bere di wo kamano CAMCANA te la is exchanging hands pegeron bere ikwe di lum kamano chena ron bere tika exchanging hands. Is there a way ma IGG ron makate ki system mo magel lokum CAMCANA gamo chena wake me ngar money teach
me teacher your Emma. While if I have the qualification and I'm I am being taken on merit based on my qualification, that is not a problem. And will teach my pay qualification and data ni taking age where a that is wrong. In this instance, I town me pick a mark jomogamo chena can. Can mark down a real way. Can you take out a me chiane, PM not infiltrating tamwi.
Both of you.
So
la
GAMCANA so that we get rid of those bad elements in the community. Corruption is as bad as Ngarmon me wachilinga liver there. In no Ngarmon tea office pay work transport and the things they can me and liver there and you live big money, that is already money. And some people are saying even that is even not lunch. Ikabiri mukane. Jimmy Timaraju IGG in its whole structure peramo luenye kum CAMCANA. Ero banatamani Emma, choyo dano makichoyo ni in District Service Commission should not be the responsibility of one person or a set of people. Because the same people can get corrupted. But what is another mechanism in dealing with employment issues? Ne ka kimero choyo one, wa choyo application billboard manager mamegwa. Ki board manager forwarding human resource. Human resource charo kero committee ma timu interview. Kaki timu interview lu don tie mamale magicharo gingiyo kartaj me kwan padano. Wachi ki yero ngat any ato based on his competence level o karada. I think we should do that verification. Because ka yirwa ne ke choyo chike miyo chino ki confirming o. What are you confirming? And whom are you confirming? What are their qualifications? Authentication, certification per paper nego. PM arangeni anma biro ka gamotiji ki watani go and bring a certified copy of your academic document. Ni adopt chen ko school ki kel ki din ni adaw kwano kan.
At this rate, ina na kiraka yinti applying for visa me chara chala UK nyoka ko kalem gi egune we. If you applying for visa, no getting kono commissioner kono kame beriekuja British High Commission.
High Commission.
Baby Google neni, they don't even know what you look. Your documents should speak. Ke inti wa ini bichara London kalim ibi chara ki wati money ye pera ki wati money kono nye mira chara kana kono Big Ben kono chara timongo. Your documents should speak. Ina no kadong muono ni do kwana documents ni yang ni la ruby kara tiklo ti anok tiki dak makwa robin kalimo country wada wada ko pek tiki mir med biro kan eto nen dok ni ka be tiki wate mo ni kay ramadongo kan pegu mi documents. So in the same manner ka unity teach e district I miro be engineer me kono gore water kono kwe enani your documents should speak konya nano in yung number ni miro be pere document kono qualification ningo command ABC pekinan way until actually ikagamo visa. They don't even see you. Ki me the envelope, me jara gam envelope reception. Inan don't be whether yes or no. So kid me cho teach back time kume because kid me interface, kid me wata kilo cho teach in IT nya loka CAMCANA.
That's something very critical. PM me a chill loki face to face interview. That's a waste of time. Sit in your home, do your interview from there.
I don't even want to know your telephone number.
Let me tell you on the scenario.
Details.
When I was going to the UK for the first time, a chair embassy, a chair is it IOM chair kapime kiti mongogini. A chair Jimmy Wang. I went, Emma, but a chair gamo visa. Nigga no. Kikwara mi visa mi achelo. We have the visa has been denied on issues of balance of probability.
Yeah, no.
Now, balance of probability, they never explain. I bothered to call. Me, what's the balance? You pay disclosing me, you take what the money, you come a command, enter according to us when young gonna command to Kabiro. Now, me fixing it took a lot of government officials to intervene, including Honorable Okeloriem, who is the Minister of Foreign. It took him time to come in where I know I had to take my visa. After almost 2 weeks, Kakemia. And I want to tell you, Waraga mami, you had everything. And I system, I had a relative.
Ma could even also be CAMCANA because why is the minister coming to support you? Now, your documents should speak.
Now, why the minister had to come in? Because it was on academic ground.
Okay.
And I was Nateka Tiarkakwan, and I was the only one who had been given that scholarship. And I felt like I could not do away with it.
Yes, okay.
So I had to call authority. This is an academic thing. I cannot go near Bichara Ruenyo because I was still young, I'm not married, that cannot propel me. And I have never enjoyed being in any place more than Uganda.
Promoting CAMCANA anyway. Familiarity breeds content.
Yeah, that's where the problem is.
Anyway, tamba mega kanyo ni ket part. Termitika kwana lock me CAMCANA kumbere matikwana. District Service Commission. You are IGG.